let's use this structure to see how we can understand the project better. What is the project? Project is implementation of a particular strategic option, entering the new market, right? That is the project. That is the strategic option. So we are trying to understand the implementation better using the WBS data. One of the techniques that is available to us is the GANTT chart. Let's look at the GANTT chart. On the top you have the schedule, months from 1 to 12. Now activity A, you will recall, takes 3 months. E starts after A is over and takes 6 months. G starts after E is over and takes another 3 months. So for A, E and G to be over, it takes 12 months. Right. Now B takes 5 months. C begins after B is over and takes 2 months. So at the end of 7 months, C is over. Now D begins after A is over and takes 1 month. So D is over in the at the end of the 4th month. F begins after that and is over at the end of the 7th month. The complication here is that G can begin only after both E and C are over, right? Okay. Now E takes 9 months. The earliest that E can be finished is 9 months. The earliest that C can be finished is 7 months. So you have, in the case of C, you have a 2-month period which is called a float. In the case of F, F can get over in the 7th month, but F need get over only in the 12th month. So in the case of F, there is a float of 5 months, right? So this is the kind of information that you get from the GANTT chart. The advantage of the GANTT chart, the one big advantage of the GANTT chart is that it's very easy to understand, right? It also shows the linkages between activities. However, the disadvantage is that we can only do analysis at a very preliminary level. For more complicated analysis, particularly for analysis where you bring in the issue of resources and look at resource balancing, that kind of analysis cannot be done with the GANTT chart at all. For that, we need to go to the network analysis technique, right? Now, let's see what a management expert, Graham Kane, has to say about network analysis.
We're going to discuss a PERT chart or a network analysis chart. PERT is Program Evaluation Review Technique, and this is used to sort out relationships in a project with start-finish dates and working out a critical path for your project. Items on the critical path, if any is delayed, your project will be delayed. Going into this PERT chart that I have set up in front of us, task A is 1 day, task B is 1 day, task D is 1 day, task F is 1 day, and task C and E are both 2 days. The diagram that is shown here is in PERT chart format or network analysis, where they are all drawn the same size and all the information is in each particular box. Given the colours of this chart, I've written above them what the task name is, in which case this is A, B, C and so on, and the duration in the corner. The items shown here, this will start on Monday, the 1st of August 2011. This task will take 2 days, so that is Tuesday and Wednesday, the 2nd and 3rd of August 2011. The next one, task E, is 2 days, so that will be on the 4th and 5th of August 2011. And because we don't work weekends, the last task is done on Monday, the 8th of August 2011. These 2 tasks are only 1 day each. They can be programmed in this situation anywhere as long as both this task and this task are completed prior to starting task F. So we have the bottom line here is our critical path for this project. Anything on that project extends, it will affect the end date of the project. If this wasn't done until the 6th, this could not be done. The 6th is a Saturday. You may do that Monday, but if this wasn't done till Monday, you couldn't do that till Tuesday. So anything on this red line that is extended will extend the length of the project. This chart is a network analysis chart or a PERT chart, Program Evaluation Review Technique.